Hi everyone, Namaste. Welcome back to Home is Where Your Heart is all about. Hope you all had a wonderful week. Today's video is about meal prepping, planning food for the entire week. Here I've purchased required vegetables for the entire week, which has been washed and dried. And now I'll keep them in the bags and the designated place. Some of the vegetables I'm going to cut and keep them in airtight containers. Before keeping them in the airtight container, I'll place a tissue paper or a napkin so that any excess water will be absorbed. So here vegetables like boiled potatoes, chopped capsicum, palak puree, coriander chutney, green chilies, chopped kundru, chopped lauki, some for sambar, some I'll make koot and the other I'll be making kadhi pakoda. Recipe for dhania chutney and palak puree are in my previous videos. I've kept the chopped bhendi in the fridge which is missing out here. Next week I've soaked 1.5 cups of chickpeas. And now I'm going to grind some roasted peanuts and keep them in the fridge. Mornings while preparing breakfast like poha, sabudana vada, it comes out very handy. When you're making lemon rice, instead of adding the whole peanuts, you can also add the peanut powder. Our first lunch idea, here we had lemon rice along with some lauki koot and papad. For the next day's lunch, I've taken out the bhendi from the fridge and now I'm going to boil some moong dal with haldi for 3 whistles. And for the tarka, I'm going to add in oil, jeera, hing powder, green chilies, add the cooked dal, add some salt, garnish with some dhania leaves, off the flame, and then we'll add some lemon juice. And we have a delicious lemon dal ready. And I'm going to serve the lemon dal along with some rice, bhendi ki sabji, cucumber, curd and achar. The next day is followed by a 1-pot meal wherein I'm making tomato rice in pressure cooker. We'll garnish with some ghee and keep it in the tiffin box along with some corn ki sabji. One of the side preparations I had prepared capsicum raita wherein I just had to put a tarka of oil, jeera, hing powder, then the capsicum, chopped green chilies, put them in the curd and garnish with some dhania, and we have a raita ready. And next day was followed by a starter wherein I had stuffed some of the cheese potato filling, baked them for 15 minutes and then plate it on a serving plate. For the next lunch here I'm going to grate some lauki, mix it along with gram flour, rice flour, turmeric powder, jeera powder, coriander powder, make pakodas, fry them in the air fryer and serve them hot along with some rice curry. And here for the dinner we had rice, lauki sambar and kundru ki sabji. Here's one of the morning breakfast. Take 2 slices of bread, apply butter, coriander chutney on the other slice, place potatoes, cucumber, tomato, onion and cut them into 2 halves. And here delicious vegetable sandwiches are ready, which kids will love to have it. Coming on to dessert of the week. Here I have taken 2 cups of desiccated coconut, 1 cup of condensed milk, mix them well and make a nice dough of it. Take small portions, roll them and keep it on the plate. Coat them with some desiccated coconut, place it in a paper cup. Keep them in an airtight container in the fridge, will remain fresh for a week. In the morning lunch boxes, you can just give 1 coconut laddu which the kids will love it. Now coming on to snacks, here I have taken some makhanas in a bowl. We'll add some black pepper, salt, chili powder, oil, mix them well. I'm going to preheat the air fryer for 10 minutes and then fry for 5 minutes. Keep them in an airtight container. You can have it anytime along with tea. The soaked chickpeas I'm going to boil with some haldi for 10 whistles along with some dried spices and use it for 2 preparations. We'll keep some for an evening snack recipe, and the rest I'll be making some chana masala which I'm going to serve along with some parathas, halwa and achar. For the night I had prepared some aloo palak ki sabji, paneer capsicum served with some rumali roti and onions. And that's all for today, my friends. Thanks for watching, and if you have liked the video, please do like, share and subscribe to my channel.